Actually make a pattern for this wraparound windshield peel and stick, which is most common for boats. Now we're going to talk about patterning. So I've got my pattern started. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to track it around. So our next step is to start cutting this thing out. Before we can attach our fabric, we obviously have to install or put in place the fastening devices. So now what we're going to do is we're going to place get our fabric onto the window. So if this sits out in the hot sun, it's going to shrink a little bit. So if you